Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
Digital printing brings your packaging to life. Here are the reasons for choosing digital printing. 1. You can change designs fast with digital printing. Try a new color or label. Run a short test without a large cost. You can publish new looks for seasons, holidays, or new flavors quickly. 2. Digital printing gives sharp text and clean images. You can print small batches and keep high quality. This helps startups and niche brands. 3. Speed matters. Digital printing shortens lead time. You launch new products and promotions faster. Fast prints let you match marketing plans and sell while demand is high. 4. Digital printing lowers waste. You order only what you need. You avoid excess inventory and old stock. Small runs keep cash flow steady. 5. If you sell many flavors or sizes, digital printing helps. Keep a consistent brand look while changing colors or labels for each SKU. Produce each SKU in small batches to match sales levels. This reduces waste and keeps the variety fresh. For more questions, please feel free to contact me.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.